Hello YouTube. Today's video, we're going to deal with privacy curtains for your garage windows. Put new doors in last year, and in the garage here, I've got stuff in here and not here all the time. If I'm not around, I'd prefer that you can't just go and look in them. Now if you're 6 feet tall, you can just go and peek inside the garage and you can see what's up. So you may want to keep whatever's in there your own business. So to do what I want to do, I want to make them portable, convenient, easily storable. So I came up with a little bit of an idea, and let's check it out. Welcome to Retire Ready. So here are the windows on my new garage doors. Nice size windows, 4 of them, and these are the ones we want to block off. So these doors are made out of steel. Steel is magnetic. So my plan here is I'm going to put something on these doors that I can use the magnets to make it stay on there. Here's an industrial garbage bag. It's a full bag right now. I anticipate it won't need 2 layers like it would have now, but let's see if the magnets will hold it up. Two is working. That looks pretty good. So 4 magnets held that up. Now it's just a matter of trimming at the sides. So if I take a measurement, probably want a couple inches on either side here. If I go 2 and 2, that's be 17 inches. And I believe it was the full length of the bag I have here. So after I got the bag cut, I'm going to split it into 2 here now. So I'll have to cut the end off. At the bottom of the bag is sealed here. Bingo. All right, well, I still have one more cut to make. One whole piece here. Adjust the camera a bit. See how it fits. Looks pretty good. Now for the magnets. All right, next thing we got to do here is get these magnets to stay on here. So I got some Gorilla Tape. It's about 1.5 inches, whatever the standard roll is. I'm going to cut it into about squares. And let's see if we can get that in this frame here. Pull it back a little bit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and center that. The magnet in the middle there. That looks all right. Not a lot of stress on there. 2 inches looks like about right. So we'll do all the corners here. I got my piece that I made up. Got the magnets on all 4 corners. Let's see if it works. There we go. Blacked out windows. Cost me half a garbage bag per window. This is what I think will work very good though. I don't want them on during the day. There's my storage. Well, daylight, I want this on here. But at night, or if I'm not around, put them up on there. Can't see in here now. So what I did, because these, again, the cover didn't quite cover the whole thing. So on the inside of the windows, I ended up just putting a strip of white duct tape on here. If you go back, really doesn't affect anything. Yet it'll, you know, you can't see through it. So that kind of aids in the whole process. Okay, from outside, it actually looks pretty good. See those little white strips there, but cannot see inside, cannot see through. It all turned out pretty darn decent.